I got one of these Cuisinart coffee grinders, and sometimes they don't work. So sometimes you push that and nothing happens. And then sometimes it would, and I took it to different outlets. It drive me nuts. But either which way, I thought that was the only safety switch, and it's not. So real quick, like, what you gotta do, I'm not exactly sure that's the smartest thing to do. I wouldn't lay it over like that. I'm just doing it for the video. I'd leave it straight up. Somehow, some way, all this on the outside got built up. So you gotta clean all this out. So one of the things, like if Cuisinart's actually watching this, it'd be helpful if y'all put on an off switch. Because what happens with these is this doesn't really help you a whole lot. So if you want this to stop, you hit start, it goes. If you want it to stop, you have to pull this out. Well, that causes the coffee to build up all up in there in that spot, and that's your safety switch. So that's what was happening. So just clean all that crap out, and they should work, or at least mine did. So give it a look, see, why not? Plug went down the drain. That's about the nastiest thing I could possibly do with that. That's gross. Hold up. At the minimum, I'm Lysoling that. And not touching it. I'll clean it legitimately in a second. So it works now, but like I said, you have to pull this out to stop it once it goes, which is kind of a defect on these. But either which way, make sure that safety switch works, clean all that out, should be good to go.